What's going on, guys? My name's Bobby. In the art world, I go by BobbyRIIIN, what have you. So right now, I'm in my little warehouse that we do Steel Panda. So 2018 has spent a lot of time doing research, getting equipment, wanting to start this project. 2019, I'm hoping to have this channel up and going. So my goal for this year is just to create, document, see where I've been, see how to get better. I've been playing around with photography and video a lot more. I want to get a lot of painting done, drawings done, maybe working with new mediums. I've been messing around a lot with clay sculpting. Definitely going to be a lot more of Steel Panda stuff going on. Me and my little dude have another YouTube channel called Infinite Bros. Go check that out if you have a bunch of little ones. It's pretty fun. I just definitely feel like I want and need to create, and I'm gonna do it. So maybe you can do it along with me. Maybe we can grow. I'm from El Paso. It's definitely up and coming. We're gonna blow your mind, world. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.